Hey guys, welcome back to Total Night. And today finally the theory video is live. So, first of all, we have two phases. First is the 8-bit minigame phase and the second is the hero or villain phase, Max versus El Primo. So, let's start with Max versus El Primo. So, the official Brawl Stars account just tweeted this photo on the Twitter account, hero or villain. Max versus El Primo. So as you can see in the photo, El Primo just looks like Hulk, and Max, as we all know, he's the hero of the city with Surge. So I think the next update will be hero versus villain update titled, and we have some more sneak peeks. Like you can see in El Primo, the O is written in a evil form. That's why I think hero versus villain. Then, as we all know that Supercell also released this photo, the Supercell Make campaign, in which many they told many creators to make skins about various brawlers, BB&B, hero or villain. So this was a Supercell campaign on SupercellMake.com. Then we also have Demonic Bow. You can see the photo. It has the evil bones type and the red color and the bow and arrow. It is also made up of like bones. So it is being approved by Supercell and will come in this update. So next, let us come to Project Laser, which is the 8-bit minigame. So as we all know, there was a minigame in Brawl Stars which was discovered by Spen LC, the Brawl Stars World Champion, and it was that if you click 8-bit 8 times, it will load a mini game. And I have already posted a video on that. You can also view that. So the link is in the description. And I also know that many of you have not subscribed to the channel. Please subscribe. It takes a lot of effort to make such videos. A huge shout out to my Daryl Russell for commenting on my video. And then I have 8-bit. 8-bits mini game. If you click 8-bit 8 times, it will load on to you on any other side, and it will tell you you are now going to enter the mind of 8-bit. And then it starts a game called Project Laser. I think that it is a sneak peek, and many people were saying that the virus 8-bit skin would be given for free to all the players that play the game, but I don't think it would be there because it is a 150 gem skin, and I could not see Supercell giving a 150 gem skin for free. Then we have, like, I also played the game and it was a little bit difficult for me, but I could clear the second stage. Okay, I think it was like just a sneak peek, and advertisement guy was also saying on Twitter that this must be for all the brawlers. These type of games or these type of mini games can also be the brawlers. So we could exactly see Supercell adding some more things related to 8-bit. Now we have Project Laser. If you all know that when Brawl Stars was released, it was known as Project Laser, as it was featured as a space game in outer space, and then it was known as Slugfest when there was a Wild West theme. Now it is known as Brawl Stars. So, if you check on Twitter, advertisement guy is very a WKBRL live stream also sounds.
I accept my lack of speed. I am important. I am a console with flaws. I love myself as I am. I nurture the memory cards within me.
So this clip, in this clip we have like I think this is El Primo speaking that he also wants the speed like Max, and like El Primo was a hero, but due to the lack of speed and Piper's cupcakes, the Piper sugar and spice animation, he became a villain. So I think this is El Primo and he still needs the speed. Then we have a number of sounds coming on the WKBRL live stream. Then we know that uh, then we know that the 8 bits voice line, get player ready, is also being posted on the WKBRL live stream. Be sure to check that out. And Ray Brawl Stars also, at the rate Ray Brawl Stars has also created a video regarding this, the 8-bit mystery. So be sure to check him out. The link is in the description. Then we have advertisement guy also tweeted that these four objects seem oddly out of place for an arcade story room. What do you guys imagine they represent are there for? So I think that they must be related to like a new brawler. Like he would throw random things at people. Then we have see or go through, but it's necessary. I really enjoyed the way in which 8-bit struggle was portrayed through this series of mini games. Really puts into perspective how well thought out of nuance all of these characters are, especially for a mobile game. I think yeah, very well said by advertisement guy. If like there is a game in a game that is very cool, and I was very happy that Spenelsi also discovered it, and I also have made the video. The link is in the description. Then we have in the end, after he happens to defeat his negative emotions, we encounter an ending to 8-bit struggles, a reflection of everything he's been through and the bright future that awaits him. An allusion to the journey Brawl Star itself has had in its 3+ years of existence. So yes, I think it is true. And 8-bit, when you play the game and you clear all the three levels, 8-bit is still not happy. I think like the virus, because the virus that has entered him, or maybe a new 8-bit skin. Now the WKBRA live stream sound we have mentioning him, but now that we have a one more visual instance of what's going on with him. I believe a greater perspective can be realized that truly helps us understand 8-bit's character. I think that yes, advertisement guy. I think he means by this that the WKBRL live stream sounds that is in the Play Store when you download Brawl Stars. I think when you go to the link there are different sounds regarding 8-bit, so this these could be related to 8-bit, or some we could like you have the in the mini game, the first stage is when 8-bit drives that that spaceship in the space and dodges the enemies, and that is just for. And as we all know that when you clear the first stage you go into the second stage where you get like different a different language, and we have some French, and this is also very common that Brawl Stars has also different languages like French and Korean and Japanese. These also all languages are also being taken. So, advertisement guy says, however, even he admits that not all is well in this universe. Look at that broken stairwell in this picture. The path to clarity he has taken here is flawed. Even after succeeding, he still feels a gnashing pain within him, preventing him from moving on. Not everything can be. So I think 8-bit was like training on the mountains near Korea or Japan, and now he's trained to defeat other brawlers. Even after he wins the game he's played countless of times, he's still unsatisfied. This is not what I was meant to be, he realizes. His human aspect nags at him. He realizes he needs to explore further into his own shelf, more than a game, more than a robot. So I 8-bit is very sad that he's just been taken as a robot, and he's not been helped to um, enjoy the world and see the world. And still there is a question mark over here, that mission accomplished. Upon recording this video, I got to know that there can be two updates. Either there can be a space update or there can be a hero or villain update. The chances of getting a space update is much more, as we have the 8 bits mini game is nearly into the play, and a Brawl Talk might be dropping soon. So be sure to subscribe to Brawl Stars official YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your loved ones. I will be doing more of such videos, and when the Brawl Talk drops, I'm going to tell you about the one frame of the Brawl Talk and listing about the information that is important and some information that you will not get on any other channel.